What are we building today?
A Lego train.
A Lego train. There we go, open that up. What do we have inside? And we have our instruction booklet. And then all of these pouches.
Hello.
And these we'll put in a pile. Yep, that's right. Okay, and then the really, really small pieces we'll put here. There we go. Look at that. Now we're done with this one. Okay, now we're gonna start all over. Now, in this build, we're gonna build the engine. Oops. Like that. It's gonna go back here. Ta-da! Look at this train. So we built our passenger train first, our passenger car, and then we built our engine, which is very cool. And then now they're gonna connect like this, and they roll together. Do you want to get your other two cars?
Yes.
We just modified the bottom here, so now we can connect
Our Lego
trains together. Here, snap those together again. Can't even get out of here. Here we go. Look at this train. Wow, that is super cool. I had so much fun with you today, Munchkin. High five.
Big high five.
Ow.